Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, briefly introduce the video mentioning you will be showcasing various Christmas tree styles and decor ideas for all kinds of aesthetics, traditional, modern, and rustic. Add a quick tip to grab attention, like choosing the right color theme can transform your trees. These are the most beautiful and top trending Christmas trees decoration ideas for you guys. So, viewers, I am showing images of traditional Christmas trees with classic red, green, and golden themes. Describe ornaments like shiny balls, candy cans, and Santas, as well as the use of red ribbons and white lights. Mention how adding a tree skirt or a traditional star can complete the classic look. These are the top trending and top unique Christmas trees decoration ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like these Christmas images and showcase minimalist trees images with muted colors such as white, silver, and soft blues. Describe how these trees focus on simplicity using fewer ornaments or clear glass decor. Talk about alternative style like log trees or slim trees that give a chai contemporary vibe. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, with your family members. These blue, red, and golden Christmas trees with gold and silver accents is a sophisticated and elegant look, rich with colors and luxurious textures. Features rustic trees images with warm lights, burlap ribbons, pine cones, and wooden ornaments. Discuss how natural elements and DIY ornaments create a cozy farmhouse feel. Mention the use of buffalo plate ribbons and rustic toppers like stars made from twine or wood. These are very classy and very pretty and very fine Christmas trees for your Christmas holidays. And as well as my family loves it too much, which is so important to me. If they are happy, I am happy, and I hope so you loved it too. And these are definitely very pretty and very classy Christmas trees with very different colors and combinations and use of different ornaments like shiny balls and different type of ribbons and lights. Now we talk about the present images of unique theme trees like coastal with seashells and a starfish, candy themed with peppermint and gumdrop ornaments, and winter wonderlands, all white and icy. So, wrap up by summarizing the different styles and encouraging viewers to try new ideas. Ask them to share your own trees decoration style in the comments, and please subscribe for more holiday decor ideas. So, viewers, keep your Christmas trees cohesive and choose a color scheme that matches your overall holiday decor, whether it's traditional red, green, rustic neutral, or modern melodics, and stick to it throughout the design. Adding different type of ornaments like candles, fairy lights, shiny balls, and also create a cozy, inviting atmosphere for your guest. And make sure to distribute elements evenly around the tree tray. And you must like these Christmas trees. So, viewers, thank you for joining us today. We hope these Christmas trees ideas have inspired you to create a beautiful focal point for your holiday decor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Christmas tree decoration tips and DIY Christmas trees. So, wishing you a joyful and festive holiday season. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends, with your family members, and I hope so you like these Christmas trees, and share this Christmas tree with your friends, with your family members. So, guys, thank you for supporting my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys.